someone just wrote a question on the board. Should I read it?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's do one more question and we stop. We have tomorrow also. Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, LevLeib. Question regarding saying bracha to elevate the goal within a kosher animal. Since we eat the meat, the blood is already depleted.
Mm-hmm.
Given the soul is within the blood, how can we still elevate the soul?
That's amazing question. So this we have nefesh, roch, and neshama, right? Three parts. So this nefesh is actually in the blood. It's nothing. So the most important part is actually neshama. That's the part of the godly soul. That is it does not connect like physically to the body. And it's in the body when the person or animal lives. So when this neshama goes into animal, but it's not attached as nefesh. So the nefesh is in blood. So that's the answer. So I mean that soul, that parts of the soul that was instilled into that animal, if it's there. So meaning we never know. It's not like in every chicken or every cow there is a Jewish soul. It's not. Maybe yes, maybe no. Like that's. But out of the doubt, we have to be very, very careful. I mean, we have to say blessing because HaShem said so. But additional reason is to release the soul. Yes. So that part of the soul has nothing to do with blood.